clicked on go online. Hi, Twitch. And hi, YouTube. Hi, hello. Hi. Why? I gotta fix something. Something that goes on my nerves. I tried setting up my Stream Deck a bit better. More sounds and stuff, but now it just freaks out and does random shit. I'm going crazy. No, that's not what... Maybe it's that? Maybe? Maybe that. Maybe that. Hi! Hi, King Broly. Hi, everyone. Why is my bitrate still so high? Why? It says unstable because the bitrate is too high. No, it's not. Fuck off. Fuck off, Twitch. I've got music in the background now, by the way. I just have... I think it's copyright free. I don't care at this point. Streams, no one cares. Wait, I just heard a sound and I'm like, what was that sound? Hi, Gordon. Hi. I thought I heard a Battle.net sound and like, I'm going crazy. I'm just going crazy. Okay, what's there? What is there? Hey, are those fireworks? Wait, I've got new things. Wait, Gordon, look at this. This is now when someone new gets in here.
Welcome to the internet, your gateway to adventure.
I just downloaded random sounds. I've got a couple. I don't have too many, but I've got a couple. Yeah, the problem is I don't know if there's any stuff that you shouldn't see. As I'm streaming on Twitch as well, Twitch actually tells me boink. Oh, that's me, yeah. Twitch actually tells me there it's unstable. The bitrate is too high, and I'm like, yeah, fuck off. I know I'm streaming 60 FPS. There, now it's lagging. Okay, that might really be a problem. Huh. Maybe I really have to set it down. But the recommended bitrate... Recommended bitrate 1080p 60 FPS Twitch. Hi, John. Hi. 6000 kbps? Are you kidding me? I'm at 7.5 right now. I have to change it after the stream. It has been bugging me for some time. It's 6000 kbps? I'm at 7.5. Oh my god, it's too much. Oh no. If your upload speed is higher than 3000 kbps, but lower than 6000, you can use the following information as a guide. With partner? What do you mean with partner? I have a fiance. Does she count as a partner? I don't know. What do you mean partner? How to choose the best bitrate? Okay. I mean by settings should be... Wait. Recommended bitrate kbps 4K 60 FPS 20,000 51,000. Ooh, that's a lot. That's exactly what I have. So 1080 60 FPS. I have the middle point. Like I have 7.5. And Twitch still tells me it's too much. Stupid Twitch. The only problem with that is, like, with having a too high bitrate is that the either my internet could break down, which it shouldn't. The other side is that guys that watch the stream, guys and gals that watch the stream, they're downloading at the same bitrate as per standard, and that might lead to problems if you have slower internet. Sure, but I mean 7,000, that's not a lot. That is really not that much anymore nowadays. It used to be a lot 5-10 years ago. It's not anymore. Okay, what do we do? What does the stream name say? Wait. That's the wrong button. Wait, what is this? Oh, that was the doorbell. Oh yeah, what are we doing today at the doorbell? Wait, can you see the screen here? You should not be able to see that thing here. Sorry, I have to play around a bit with my setup here. It's almost gone. It's still there a little bit. That's fine. Yeah, so today we're just doing something that should be done like always, which I never do. I mean, I do it, but in my head. But today we're doing it correct. We are planning. Because I have not been doing... I have done like maybe half an hour in total after the last stream. So what we need to do this time is to make a concept. Right? We're going to make a concept of the spider's den. Right? I changed the ground here a little bit so it looks more rocky and more fleshed out. Like it looks nicer and more like horror game-ish. And we've got the spider webs that's still kind of funky, but that's what it is. You can walk now. I also changed it so that you can actually walk here. You don't get stuck everywhere. So I did like maximum half an hour. Yeah, now we could... We don't do that yet, but we could theoretically enter this thing here. Welcome to today's video. That's what I do. I made it... Wait.
Hold the handrail, stand still, and face the direction of travel.
Oh no, that's when I have a new follower. Shit. I'm just pressing random buttons now. Yeah. So when we go in there, we are in the spider's den, right? In the hideout of the spider, monster creature thingy. How we get in there and stuff, that's a different story. I hope I will do that off stream. Good vibes. But what we're really going to do is we're going to make a new scene. And in that new scene, we just have that spider cave. Not den, the spider cave. Yeah, sometimes it's better. Like, if you have a big project, it's better to conceptualize first and to really have a plan. And this became a big project, so I should do it a little bit more accurate. I mean, we're not gonna do a huge thing. Let's not spider den, let's call it spider cave, actually. And we're just gonna make a concept. Hi, 707 writes a concept in my favorite tool, like in Forever in PowerPoint. Yes, that's how you make concepts. I could also draw it in Paint or whatever. We're making a concept here in this, right? And then we've got an overview of what to do, and then I can do whatever, right? Hi, Hdrp. Hi, you are very welcome. So that's the thing. We will make a concept. Middle, kind of. Not as big as this, of course, but it will lead to a finished project that we can upload. It will be more like a single player... What is the thing? What is this game called? Fall Guys. Like a kind of a single player Fall Guys. That's what the tutorial series leads into. Of course, small scale, but kind of like that. So, let's conceptualize. What do I want? Spider. Let's find symbols. Let's first grab some symbols here. I want the spider. Spider is... sun. The spider is the sun here. In streaming right now, because of the music, I don't care. Like, there's music right now in the background, very slight and somber right now music. It's supposed to be a royalty-free playlist, and I will probably get copy strike because it's there. But I'm like, I don't care. I want to listen to music because that's not against the guidelines. That's against... The funny thing is, that's against DMCA, but that's not against the guidelines of Twitch and YouTube. It's against DMCA, which I frankly don't care right now because I'm not monetizing it. So, fucking don't care. And it's not against any law. Like copyright or anything. How do I change the color of that thing? It's here, right? So, spider color orangey. So that's the spider that we have. Does it have 8 legs, please? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. 8 legs. Perfect. So we've got the spider. So what do I want with this? Hi, Mohammed. Hi. So this spider's gonna hop around, right? This is, by the way, this is going to be the 2D concept top view. This is top view 2D concept right now of the game. Then what happens is the following. This is my idea. We are here And we're here running around. So we are here running around. We're then approaching this thing here, and then we kind of get in there and we get attacked and stuff. Stuff that happens. Stuff that unfolds. I won't do that today because it's freaking effort and it takes a shit ton of time. No, what I want to do is we got attacked and we are now inside the cave. The spider got us. Like, do you remember, if you've watched it, you better did, Lord of the Rings? Shelob, or as I call her, Kankra? Did they rename her in German? Are you kidding me? Is she called Shelob in English? She's called Shelob. Name? Hey, are you kidding me? Kankra. Kankra. Shelob. Oh my god, they renamed it in German. I didn't even know. Okay, Shelob. If you remember Shelob, attacks Frodo and puts him in like this sack of spider poop, and then drags him into a cave and tries to eat him later, conserves him for later. Yeah, there where she gets him, like, and he's in that thing, and he should have gotten eaten on the spot, but no, he's just stunned and that kind of stuff. That kind of happens to the character. And then we wake up in that thing and we gotta get out. And that's the thing. So we need to have a spawn place. That's the idea. So we will have like this spawn area room, right? Just a round room somewhere. Just this round room. And we just wake up in the middle of it. There's going to be the player. Player is this little friendly face, smiley face. That is a shit icon. I hate it. That's not the player. So what is the... Oh, I've got pictograms. Right. No, I don't. They take too long to load. Player is... a pentagram. Yes, the player definitely is a pentagram and a yellow one. That's what the player is. So we wake up in that big ass room and we are caught in the spider web. Right. So that's this. And then we need to get out. We need to wiggle or something. I don't know yet. We'll find out at some point. Yeah, we need to wiggle probably, or cut out. Or I'm actually thinking about having like a lighter with us, that we can set everything ablaze. Yeah, and then we're there. And we need to get out. And then there is... the spider also starts in there with us. The biggest spider starts in here with us, but the spider also runs away. Because it's bored, it just goes out. There is like an exit. That is only available for the spider. Right? Just this weak-ass exit spider. We cannot get in there as the player. That's why this is blocking. Okay. So we cannot go out there, only the spider can. So we see the spider crawling out. Hi, Ginnan, hi. And then we realize, oh, I've got to wiggle. And then we're wiggling, and then we get out somehow. Because we're heckin' strong. And we're lucky. That's more like it. We're just lucky. So that happens. Then the spider's gone. Spider's gone. I won't make arrows. Spider. Oh, I will make arrows. Spider. Nah, I won't make arrows. Spider's gone. So that's the initial thing. So that's the first place we need to consider, and then we wiggle out. So concept here is, and yes, this is what we're doing now. We're conceptualizing. If you think of anything that is better suited or any good ideas, let me know. Spider. First is the player wakes up. looks around. Second, the spider goes away through hole. Spider just goes away. It just goes through there and then it's gone. And then, oh, I forgot. When I'm streaming, my cursor is right here. It's strange. It's kind of bugged. Don't know why though. Then the third is that the player wiggles out of net. Like the player wiggles out of the net. Yeah. And then what happens then? We are out of the net and then we try to get out. There's a door or something? I think we're just going with the classics here. We're really just going classic horror game now. So this is the first real horror element in the game, except for Doozy, which is not really horror. Doozy is like this friendly neighborhood guy that just tries to kill you. Everyone knows those. Hi, Untap. Hi. Wait. Oh, hi, Untap. Hi. I've got the doorbell bar. Wait, what else do I have? What's that? I've got a bell. By the way, thanks for asking. I'm good. Hi. So, yeah, there's this doorway. There's this exit out of the den, out of this thing here, which is also blocked. But interactable for us. We're not going to follow the spider. The spider wants to kill us. Why would we follow it? It doesn't want to kill us. It just wants to eat us. Then we go out, but we can't. We cannot go out. We have to find something first. And I would say we just find a knife or something. Why is that bugged? I hate it. Is it bugged also in that screen? Yeah, it is. Why is my PowerPoint bugged? Anyone know? Now it's okay. Fine. Great. Perfect. Love it. Player tries to exit, but can't. Because there is this, like, spider web. Of course you cannot just get out. What we find is... finds a lighter. We just find this little lighter and then we can set this is blocked by spider webs and we can just set the spider webs ablaze then. We can't just burn it. So I gotta put the there is this lighter somewhere in the room that we can use. What icon do we have? It's a plus icon. Little plus icon, something that we can find. A little lighter that's hidden somewhere. Okay. Player sets. It's not a new game, Untap. It's a new level. It's a new level of a game that we already made a lot of progress. I can show it in a second. But it's a new level where we are in a room right now with a spider and we need to get out. Hi, it's a hi. Wait. I've got new ones. Wait, you're getting this one again. Wait, no. This one?
Hold the handrail, stand still, and face the direction of travel.
Hi. That's what we're doing now. We're in a train now. We're all in this together. Face the direction of travel. Focus, guys. Focus. Player sets the net on fire and escapes the room. Right? So that is the sequence in this little room here. That is the first room of the new level. Right? So once we enter the spider cave, that is going to unfold. And yes, I need to conceptualize so I remember what I'm doing. And I need to focus. So once I'm really starting to implement the level, I can just make checkboxes and I can say this is done, 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 done. And then I'm like, yeah, that's better. Okay. So once we get in here into the Spidey cave, all of that is going to unfold. Okay, good. That's the first room. That is the first room. That would be step 1. Programming this alone would probably take 2 hours. So I won't do it now. I will do it, but maybe I will start programming in half an hour. So when we have the concept, first concept. So focus. Yeah, second stage. Right, second stage. So all of this will go gray now. Grayish. Wait, that's not what I want. This is what I want. Grayish. So because we're done with this area, we now have the lighter. We can set things. We can set spider webs on fire. That's a good thing. Then we follow like a route out of the room. There's a little cave thingy. And I actually want this still here in color, because that still belongs to the next room. So in that room, nothing there. We just walk a pathway. Everything is dark. And then we hear somewhere along that hallway, like when we're around a corner or something, somewhere in that hallway, when we get around a corner, we hear the spider screech, right? Because it realizes we're gone. And it's freaking angry that we're gone. It hates it. So spider screech somewhere there. Man, conceptualizing actually makes a lot of sense, because then later on I can just concentrate on adding this. That's so much better. Oh man, that makes things easy. I mean, it still makes it gonna be a lot of effort to add those things, but it makes it easier for now. So the spider screeches when we're right around the corner. There's going to be a trigger, spider screech. I could put those numbers just in here somewhere. Let's do that. No, that's not what I want. Ah, it doesn't matter. I will remember. No, it would make sense to put the numbers for conceptualizing, but that's fine. Then we're getting into a new room thingy. Somewhere there is a new room. And that is not just a random ass room, like cave. That is a real room, because we are in some kind of a mine, right? We're in some kind of a mine. And that is a real room. There's some furniture in the room, and there's things on the walls that we can see, and shit goes on there. But basically nothing real. Right? There's nothing really to see, but there are 2 doors, I would say. Let's go real classic horror game now. How the game has been so far is not really been horror game. It has been not very traditional. Nothing has been following us. Nothing really. Nothing really. Now I really want to go with horror game elements. Really, really classic, really traditional. So I want a twist here. I want this game to feel different. If you go to a different location, it should feel different. That's what I want. So what I want in this room actually is this thing. There is this thing that is really important. There's going to be a... So, let me put the spider screeches out there. Let me actually put them. That's number 1. Goes when you hear. That's the first trigger. And then we're gonna hear it again. We're gonna hear another spider screech. And as soon as we hear the second spider screech... When we hear the second spider screech, there will be text on the screen that says I should hide. Right. Then there is text. I should hide quick. And then here we go. Very classic, traditional stuff. There is a cabinet. We're hiding inside of a cabinet. Then the spider enters the room. And then the spider exits the room. The problem here is if the player is not inside the cabinet, the spider is going to kill the player. Very traditional, very classic, right? This feels like a classic horror game then. Okay. Yeah, I like it. That's okay. And now hiding in those cabinets is a game element. Right? This exists from that moment on. This exists in the game, so I can reuse it. So the player hides in the cabinet. That is number 3. Is it? Yeah. Then the spider runs around for a couple of seconds, and then the spider just goes away. Classic, classic. And then the next thing is that we will leave the room and we will search. There is an exit door. Or there is actually not an exit door. Hi, Urhan? Hi, Urhan. Hi. Wait, you get this one. That's a classic. Yes, so right now the door is locked, the exit door. So there's going to be an exit door. That's that door right now that is locked. It's not a door. That is the cave entrance that we already have in the game on the other side. Right? That's the cave entrance, but from the inside. Yes, cave entrance, but from the inside. Yeah. That one's locked. We can't get out. And we can try with the little lighter that we have, but it's not strong enough. It's not strong enough. Let me put notes on here as well. If player gets caught, player dies. That's somewhere here, right? If player gets caught, player dies. Sure, that makes sense. If player tries to exit, player dies. No. Lighter fire not strong enough. Yeah. So there are more and more concepts. This is the main concept. If someone like can't follow, if someone has like a hint or something, just feel free. Go on. Just ring the door. Just ring the door. Yeah, and let me know what it is. And by ring the door, I mean just tell me in the chat. So that is the exit we cannot get out. And then there is another door. Just a standard door right here. That one we can actually open, so why is it this locked thing? No. I just want a number 5, number 6 now. Number 6. Player leaves the room. This feels okay. And then after leaving the room, let me also gray that out. Can I just copy the format, please? Yeah. And then once we exit it, once we are out, let me actually get the other color here. When we are going to the next room, which is through a little door, right? Through a door. Then in the other room, now it's really this traditional classic horror game stuff, we need to find things. There is another exit, we need to find the other exit. We need to find other things. So in here... Oh, whoops, that's the next slide. Next slide. We don't have anything that goes on here right now. This doesn't belong here anymore. This doesn't belong here anymore. It's gone, that's gone, that's gone. That's gone. Everything gray. That didn't work. Great. Why though? This one? This one. So, okay. Now we enter another room, right? We enter another room. That's not 100% correct. That is almost. Yeah, let's do the following. Because there's two ways. The player can actually go two ways. Really classic stuff. So the player can go two ways. He can leave the room and goes to the... so what room is there? To the break room. How do you call this one? This is the entry. This is the entry area. Yeah, this is the entry area. This is the entry area. Then we've got the break room is there. And we've got a... I want 7 to be the break room. What other rooms do we have? Like, this is a mining shaft. There's stuff going on. I want a storage room, but that storage room is not accessible yet. It will be accessible, but it's not yet. What is before you go to a storage room? There's something in before. What is there? What do you have before entering a storage room? There's got to be something else. Oh, I got it. That's the hallway. We will have a hallway. Very classic, very traditional. That's freaking long. Right. So that's this hallway. Right. And from that hallway, there's 2 more rooms. One is a storage room, which we can't enter because we don't have everything yet. And the other... is like, how are those rooms called? Automation presentation. It's a little bit, you're right. It looks like that. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. But not too much. A little bit. Definitely a little bit, yes. Let's make these gray as well. Ah, no, let's keep it. So. Yes, so there's the hallway. And in the hallway, there's 2 more rooms. There will be 2 more rooms. You see how complex this is going to be. So this is a game on its own. It will not be too complex to make, but because I already have so many things. But yeah. Hi, Yellow the Octowolf. Hey, haven't seen you in some time. Hi, welcome back. This one. I've got also this one now.
Hey, whoa.
Whoa! That's too quiet, right?
Hey, whoa.
Hey, woohoo! I couldn't find good sounds, so I just took a random bunch. Yeah, from the hallway... So in the hallway we've got 2 other rooms available, which will be... Busy finishing the game. Oh yeah. Did you finish it? Because I can't finish mine. I've been working on this for like ages now, and I just can't finish it. There's gonna be 2 rooms, this and then a storage room back here. Storage room will be pretty small. So, yeah, from here we can enter both rooms if we want. But the storage room is locked. How are those called? Changing room? They're called changing room, changing rooms. And the other one is the storage area, which is locked. We can't get in there. Where are the PSCs? I didn't think about it. I really didn't think about it. Hi, Hartux. Hi. Wait. I've got this one now. Hi. Ring, 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 ring. Only 16 to 17 minutes. That's already a lot. I think right now I have like maybe 15 minutes. 20 minutes if you mess up. But I think I have like 15 minutes. And I'm probably going for an hour or so, which is crazy. I didn't think. We'll see. So yes. So from here you basically have the chance to go in there. You cannot go in here because it's locked. It's locked, and this one you can go in. The change room. The thing is here also... No, this one is not locked. This one is perfect. This one is open. And then in the changing room. A lot of gameplay. Yeah, of course. That's how games are. That's why I say this can easily be already half an hour. We go into the hallway and we can then go. We cannot go in this one yet. We can only go in this one. Okay. I don't want to make it too complex. It's changed a lot. I can still remember the radio. Was yours with the radio in the beginning? I can still remember the radio. So we're in there. We can go. We can basically only go into number 2. Yeah, in number 2, and we're going to find something in room number 2. We will definitely find something because, hey, that's inventory. We got an inventory system now. I actually have an inventory system from the first 20 hours of programming on. I've never really used it. We're going to find something, right? We're going to find something. Let's actually put a number on it. We will find a key. We will find a key. Does a key make sense here? Yeah, a key makes sense. The key to this area here. So we will find the key to this area that we haven't talked about. I don't know what's there yet. What will be there? So the key... It's really traditional horror game. I don't want to make too much because I always hate just running around searching for things. But the key there. And by the way, before I forget... Of course, in this room here, there also has to be a cabinet that we can hide in. If there would not be a cabinet, there's actually like maybe 2 or 3, because it is the changing rooms, and in those you should have cabinets everywhere. Make that 4, maybe 5. I don't care. So 5 cabinets, we can hide in those when the spider comes and tries to eat our ass. Yes, that's what spiders do. Yeah, we go in and then we find the key and we can hide in those. And then we find the key not to the storage area. That's the last area I want to be in. Find a key to that area. What is this area? Mid-90s, good times, good times. I can still remember like it was yesterday. It's 30 years ago, but I can still remember. Oh, it's 25 years ago. I was a kid, but I remember every day. Okay, we've got this. We found the key, but what area will we have here? Like, this is the mine shaft, right? This is the mine shaft, and this is the main area that they worked in and on. Right, of course. It's like this entry area that splits up into several ones, and then you've got a room, a changing room, you've got a storage room. What else does a mine have usually? This is the room everyone meets in, and then there's a room that is closed, that is locked, and not everyone can get there. It doesn't have to be locked. We could find a tool or something. What is in there? What is in that room? Someone have an idea? What room could that be? And that should be the last room. I don't want to overdo it with like searching and finding stuff here and that kind of things. But I want it to be a room. Some kind of room. What could it be? There's a Volkswagen. Just a bedroom? Just some like break room? Can we just say it's a break room? But then the key doesn't make much sense. What could we find in the changing room then? What is in the changing room that you usually need to... We might find a hammer or a tool that we can actually go in here. Because that is locked. Because that one is locked. So we cannot go out there. That one is locked and it's really just a door. Maybe find like a... What are those in English? This thing. That I definitely know, Fortnite. Why is the first thing when I Google it? Why is the first additional thing Fortnite? Are you kidding me? Come on, those are 100% Half-Life. Are you kidding me? Freeman bar. Yeah, those are called Freeman bars. Hi, Andreas. You're right. That's the thing that Freeman uses. What are they? Crowbar. It's a crowbar. Yes, thank you. Hey, I said it first. I said it before reading the chat. It's crowbar. We find a crowbar? Does that make sense in like a changing room? I want it to make sense. It would make more sense to find a key here. Let's actually find a key here. That makes sense. In a jacket or something, we find a key. That key unlocks the bedroom, which is locked for some reason, which is... That's okay, you can lock that. Key to... Maybe a bedroom? I like the idea of bedroom. Would they have rooms for sleeping there? I mean, it depends on how old this is. You go with key. Yeah, I think so, Andreas. I think you're right. I think I want to go with key as well. Yeah. Yeah, the only problem I have with key is that I want to unlock this room, right? This is a room. Let's flip it around. Let's flip it around. This up here is not the storage area. We find a key. I know. No, I read it and then to be honest, I read yours and then I said it and then I pretended that I didn't read it. I'm sorry. So, changing room. Yeah, we find the key for the changing. We find a key for the storage area, which is not here. The storage area is down here. That makes sense now. Because the storage area is separated. And this is something like the showers. And maybe you're wondering why those are showers, but those are showers. And it's not locked. There's spider webs. Or there's rubble. Right? There's rubble in the way, so we can't get there. So we need a tool to get rid of the rubble, which will be like a hammer or a crowbar, something strong. Right. This is blocked. Or it's barricaded, actually. This one here is barricaded. That's good. That's why we need a crowbar. Very classic. Very, very traditional horror game elements here. We got this. We got this. Thank you. Thanks for the help. Thanks for the help. You get this one here. Wait, what's that? Is that too quiet? It feels like that one's really quiet. I don't know what the other buttons do. We'll find out. We'll find out what the other buttons do in a minute. Good. Saw area barricaded, and then we go back. Right? And then we have to go back. We find a key to the storage room. And the storage room is down here. It's the next area. So let's boink this. Let's make all of this gray. Let's get rid of you. Let's get rid of you. Let's get rid of you. So that room here is the changing. Whoops. Changing room. That one here is the shower area. Right. I mean, you have to go out back on the hallway and then into the shower. That's kind of silly, but that's okay. I mean, the shower will have 2 exits. Shower will have 2 exits, which is both are barricaded. But now it makes sense to be next to the changing room. I mean, why would it be connected to the hallway? That doesn't make sense. That's okay. So we can't go in there. The shower is locked. Perfect. That's a bit shorter then. How short it is though? Is it though? Control C, Control V. Yeah. It's good that we're making concepts and not that I'm just creating all of this and then I'm like, no, let's change it back because I'm stupid. This makes a lot of sense now. You will stay dirty forever? No. Why is the shower barricaded? The shower is barricaded because people in there, they were afraid of the spider, and that's why they barricaded it from the inside. So we will find dead people inside. We will find corpses. Right? Because they hid in there and they were too afraid to get out. But so we have to break open the door. That's what I mean. You have an installer for the first game, and you're making a second one. I would say leave a link, but I think I don't have the link anymore. Leave the name of the game. I will maybe try it out. I don't know if I will have the time to try it out, but I might try it out again. So we've got the shower area that is blocked, that is barricaded. We can't get in because there's They didn't want the spider to get in. They were afraid there was a big spider and maybe they got poisoned. And then they ran in and then they died. I don't know. Stuff like that. And then we go... And now it's the next area. And we found the key for the storage room, which we will now use. Can actually leave the names in there. Was this entry area? Let's actually leave the names there. For sure you're an engineer. Exactly your business. Yeah, I'm using PowerPoint for so many things. The same as Excel. I have Excel sheets like for everything. I use it way too much. I love the Office programs. It's like, that's my everyday's life. So that is the mining area. Whatever that is. That's the mine itself. Mine. I mine all day. I mine all night. Oh, those diamonds are inside. Good. And then we've got the last room here in that little horror section. And that is the... not the last room, but the last new room. Whoops, that's not correct. That should go here. And that is the storage. Right, storage room. And in the storage room, we can just enter now because we've got the key. We've got the key now, which is yellowish. And I'll also grab the yellow thing here. So we could not enter before, but whoops, now we can. Because we found the key. 45 minutes. Sinrix, right. Sinrix was the name. Yeah, remember the name. Storage. 45 minutes is crazy. To just develop something on your own that is 45 minutes. That's a job on its own, I would say. So then we've got this. And of course, in the storage room, we will need to have at least one cabinet. I will just put one cabinet. That's fine. So we can hide in there. There's not going to be a cabinet in the shower area. That's just how it is. In the storage area, we are going to find... I don't know what we find. We could find multiple things. There's got to be a lot of rubble, a lot of stuff in there. But the main thing we find... unlocking the storage area with changing room key. And then the thing we find in here is the... what's it? What's it like? Is it a crowbar? Is it a hammer? What do we find? A bunch of raid. I take raids. What do you mean raid? I want to get raided. Give me those sweet, sweet raids. Or what else? What do you mean with raid? Oh, for raid. Do you mean the bug spray? Do we have that in Germany? I know about it from TV. Wait, it's bug spray, right? Yeah, I know about it from memes and stuff, but we don't have that here. Raid, bug spray, Germany. Can you even get that here? I don't even know. And we've got bug spray, Amazon spray. Okay, we've got it. Yeah. I never used it. I live in a rented apartment. I don't have any bug problems. As a house owner, I probably would have some, but I don't have. In the kitchen, no. I sometimes have those fruit flies, but that's it. 2 songs. I haven't made a single asset for the whole game. I'm just reusing things that others did. I've made almost no assets. So we go in there. We are in the storage room, and we find... what do we find? What is blocking the shower area? It is barricaded, but in what sense is it barricaded? Because they had to do that from the inside. I would say we find a crowbar and we really break that door open. Because there's no other way. Like, we find a crowbar and we just yank that open. We find a crowbar, that's it. I'm saying. Or an axe. We find an axe. Ooh. I mean, the problem that I have with an axe that we could find is if you cannot use that axe as a weapon, everyone's going to be upset because, hey, that's an axe, stupid. Why don't you just fight the spider? It's blocked by some lockers. Oh, they didn't have much time. They really had almost no time. They just ran in the showers and they barricaded it from the inside. Because if they would have time to get locker like things from the changing room, they would have had time to run out. Because that's the exit down there. Maybe. But it has to be locker. So maybe let's put a locker there. Yeah, you're right. Maybe let's put a locker there. Then an axe would also not help too much. Yeah, we have to find it. It's a crowbar. We need to force it open. We need a lot of force. And crowbar. And I want a crowbar. I just want a crowbar in here. Towel. So Adi Latin. Adi Latin. Yes, you're right. I remember my time in the what the shit is that? First thing that comes up is this fish thingy here. Why fish? Why? What the? I love it. I originally have those. I think I even have those with Adidas on the side. I never look at them, but I think I have those. I can remember the Bundeswehr times. Hi, Daniel. We are right now making a concept for the stage that for the next stage of our game, for the next area, for the next level, or whatever we call it. And we've just been making the concept for an hour now. We haven't done anything, just conceptualizing, which is fun. I gotta say, it's fun. Maybe I can still build the areas today. So I will just. I started streaming early today because I think it makes sense to also stream for like 3 hours instead of 2, what I usually do. We'll see. We'll see how much I can still implement today. Nothing like game-wise, but maybe from like the rooms and the assets, putting stuff in there. I think a lot like of that stuff we can do because we have a concept now. The storage room, there we find the crowbar. That's pretty neat. And with that crowbar, we can enter the shower area. We'll find out what is locking it. Yeah, we'll find out what is locking it. Let's actually do this because that doesn't exist yet. That only exists now. And why did I delete it? Why? 4 cop. And now we have the thing for the shower. That shower, of course. Is that the same color? Hopefully it's the same. You forgot to tell. What do you forget to tell? So that one is open now. That one is wide open now. And we can't just go in. We cannot just go in. We have to break it open. Right. We break open the shower door barricade with a crowbar. Creaking and jarring noises. Yeah, I love those. I have a couple of those in my game as well. I bought like a set of sounds on sale, and it's like 100 sounds, and I try to add as many as possible because horror games, they are, for me, maybe 60% is the sound. Very important factor. Yes, so we break open the door with a crowbar. Then we hear the spider screech. The spider is there out all the time. So whenever we hear whenever we're doing something, we hear the spider. It's there. We don't always hear it, but we sometimes have to hide. It's just lurking around. It's just lurking around. We have to hide sometimes, so that's just there. But now we hear it really screeching, and that should be blue, actually, the room. Yeah. We hear it screeching. And then we have the decision. We could either hide in one of those, or we could just try to run in here. That's fine. ABB. I don't do ABB things. Andreas. The second Andreas now. Wait, we have another Andreas. I thought it's the other Andreas. Wow, that's confusing. Same name. I don't do. I have not done anything with ABB. I use the electrical devices, but having done anything with the automation part, not much. Yeah, we have Andreas Peters as well. So, we get into the showers. There's dead bodies everywhere. There's stuff going on. There's the spider. And we find in the shower area... That's the ultimate thing that we're going to find. This is... Everything has been building up to that. I'm not even kidding. Listen, guys, you gotta listen. You gotta listen. Wait, what's that? That wasn't me. That's one of my puns, right? That sounds so stupid. Listen, not even kidding. We find a can of hairspray, and now we've got a weapon. We already have a lighter. We had that in our pockets from before entering here. Right? That is the quest that is right before here, is to find a lighter to get in here to light everything on fire. Wait, no. We find it here, right? That's what I mean. We find the lighter here, and we already have the lighter, and now we find a can of hairspray. And if you've ever done that, hey, Warlock Games, we're just making a concept right now, so you didn't miss much. Hairspray fire. If you've ever done that shit, I'm just taking a random video from YouTube now. 5 minutes? Why 5 minutes? And now we've got this. We basically have this. We have our little own, what's it called? Our own flamethrower, right? We have a little flamethrower. I will make sure that that works, kinda. But we've got this. And with the flamethrower, we can actually fight against the spider. So the spider will fuck off whenever we point at it and we shoot. And we can also burn ourselves out of the area. And that is the end of the area. We just grab that and we just flame spray all over the spider web, and then we just go off. Right. And that is the last part. That's what I'm trying to do. Hide here, comrades. Wait. Yeah. That's what I'm trying to do. I try to stay inventive. And it should make at least a little bit of sense. Like, it's not just random stuff that you find. It should make a little bit of sense. Like, in most games, you just find random stuff and you do for random things. No. I don't like that. And now we can just go out. All right, I'll do that green. And we can just head out using your flamethrower. There we go. Perfect. That's perfect. That's how it should be. By the way, if I don't hear it, I'm supposed to still get a package this evening. If you hear my doorbell, it sounds something like that. Not exactly. My doorbell is more like, but in a higher pitch. If you hear that, because I've got my headphones on, and maybe the mic actually gets it and I don't, tell me. Let me know if you hear the doorbell. Because that's my food for the week. If I don't have that, I'm gonna starve, and I don't want to die. Good. What we can do with the flamethrower as well is the spider hates flames. And if you point at, if you see the spider and you just whoosh, it will just run away. Right. It's not Rewe, it's I don't know, my fiance makes it. I think Amazon. No, today we're getting no, that's not today. Today we're getting something called HelloFresh, which is just food packages. Like 3 meals for the week. It's not really prepared food, it's just raw ingredients for meals, and that's quite nice things. Maybe it will spit acid. I think no. No, it won't. It won't spit acid. I mean, it could, but this is not a fighting game. Like, how are we going to defend ourselves against acid spat at us? That's why I was thinking, yeah, that would be pretty cool, but how are we going to defend ourselves? Oh, you're also doing the HelloFresh thing? I love it. Like, the quality went down. Like, I've been doing it for, I think, 5 years, probably. Maybe 4 years. And the quality just went down and down and down. It's still declining, but it's good enough. The quality goes down, by the way, and the price goes up. That's how things nowadays work. Yay. But it's still okay. Especially with the pandemic going on, they're doing a great job. That's how I know. If you hear it, you will recognize it. When it's there, you will recognize it now. Yeah. But that's it, right? That's it. And then when we're out again, we will be like, oh no, my flamethrower is empty. And we can't use the flamethrower from then on. Because the spider is still going to follow us. And the spider, we have other means to defend ourselves. The spider will follow us from that moment on. But we have other means to defend ourselves. By the way, I forgot something. I completely forgot something. The most important part. I can't believe I forgot it. We have a friend in here. Why did we go into that mine? Because we have a friend to save. Duh, I'm an idiot. I completely forgot about it. She'll be here. She will be here in the entry area, right? There's more going on here. The spider just goes away. Also, in here, I completely forgot that that's the thing. We will have to save. The heart symbol is kind of incorrect because she's not the one we're after, but that's okay. Completely forgot that that's why we're here. She's there, and there's a lot of spider webs around her, so we cannot really save her. But she's in that little separate. It's down here in a little separate that is enclosed with spider webs. And we can use the flamethrower on that as well. But we need the flamethrower first. What was her name? I always forget her name. We've got, I think, Erica, and what is her name? Does anyone remember? Is she Erica? What is her name? NPCs? Friends? Erica. Yeah, we've got Jessica, and she's Erica. We're here for Erica. Yes. So that is Erica. Jessica is the one... We're not saving Jessica. We're saving for last. Jessica's the ultimate goal because she's really the... I don't want the heart symbol for her. Doesn't feel right. For Erica. Erica can... is behind Impenetrable, is that a word? I think so. Webs. Need flamethrower. There we go. Boom. And we need to find a symbol for her. She is a lightning bolt. Yeah, definitely. Erica's a lightning bolt. Okay. She's there. I hear, yeah, you hear a scream in the... Yeah, you hear a scream, like she's in there, you kind of hear what's going on, that's right. Yeah. That's something, but that's what I add outside of the cave. You're in here and then you can talk to her, but you can't get her out, and then you have to find a way. And that's the flamethrower. You had something really short. I didn't do a sound. Ah! Oh wait, no. I maybe pushed around my microphone. Now I will hear my door. Let me put my headphone a bit to the side. I should be able to hear my doorbell. They usually say... they send an SMS half an hour before, normally. If they mess that up, they will deliver twice if they mess it up. Yeah, you hear a scream outside the cave. And you're like, I gotta get in there, I gotta go in there, and then you try to get in by force, and then stuff unfolds, and that's where the spider gets you, but that's before, you're right. But it will happen. So let's add her to the other rooms here. Okay. It's like, sometimes it squeals like that. I'm sorry. I hate that sound. I'm sorry. I have to make it once again because my mic wasn't right anymore. I gotta put some lubricant on it, but I always forget after the stream. So I should do it right now, but no. I'll be back. I'll get my WD-40. I'm still here. I'm still there. I'm getting it now. Yeah, WD-40. There we go. Best stuff in the world. That squeak. I've got plenty of squeaks. So where does the squeak come from? And yes, don't question me why I've got this in my bedroom. My PC, my setup, by the way, is in my bedroom. Yeah. I don't know. Maybe there. Ooh, ah. That should be fine. Ugh. Ah, that smell. Ah, I've got a hole in my head. Do you see it? I've got a hole in my hand. Whoa. Okay, got that. That's better. It really doesn't make a single sound anymore. It doesn't stop anymore. Stop. Stop moving. Stop. Oh no, it's too much. It's too good now. It's too good. So, yeah, shall we begin? Now we can actually implement. I love it. I love that we made a concept and we actually have things. Now I can create now, and then we can do that. You've got 12 balls. I just have that one, and I've had that for like 2 years here. Is there a tiny hole in your ear? Tiny hole? That sounds peculiar. Okay, let's put that to the side. I need that for later on. Let's close it and reopen it, because then there's certain things that PowerPoint does when you do that. So, okay. Let's get into Unity and let us now... we have not done a new scene in ages. Scenes. I have like locations, yes. Sea Shack, no. Create boulder. And that one is the spider cave. The spider cave is also a mining shaft. So this is basically a mining shaft. So I should put mining, like stuff that usually goes into a mine on here. And I will. Also, the road should kind of lead here. Nah, it's an old mining shaft. It's like a forgotten mining shaft. Forgotten? Yeah, it's an old one. Doesn't matter. Spider cave. Create new scene. Boing. I have not created a scene in so long. It's crazy. Wow. Do I need to copy this? I need to copy this. Duplicate. Put that here. Those are the lighting settings, and I want the lighting settings for each scene to be individual. That's the Sea Shack, that's the Spider Cave. Spider Cave is completely empty right now. Love it. Let's add things to the Spider Cave. I think in here, I cannot remember. Oh my freaking god, I cannot remember. New lighting settings, that's the Spider Cave, please. Yeah, sure, why not? Light mapping settings, yeah, sure, why not? I don't care. Where did I put that again? That one goes in a game object? Let's go. Why does the Sea Shack have Game Forest Night lighting set? It doesn't matter. Oh my god, what is this tab? I gotta think about, because this is now again Hdrp, high definition render pipeline, and that thing is for the high definition render pipeline. Oh, it's the volume profile. Makes sense. There we go, yeah. Let me just copy this one here and then I'll use that. I'll reuse it. Sky and fog, and that is Spider Cave volume. That should be night moon. It doesn't matter. The sky, we don't have a skybox, but that's fine. That's okay. Ooh, that looks spooky. Why does it look like that? It's Hdrp. Global? Yeah, that's a global one. Local? No, global. It's okay. I want fog. Do we want fog in here? Yeah, I want fog in here. We'll see. We'll see about it. Oh my god, I have not done anything in this thing in ages in the game. Like, I have not made a new room in this game in forever. Let's hope it still works as intended. Maybe it does. Player? I can just drop here. Done. Okay, kind of worked. Nope. Yes. Come on. Road collider, status display model. So we've got the player model at least. That's something. Okay, good. Directional light, main camera. We don't need a directional light. I think I can turn it off. Yeah. Ooh, that's nice. You see that? The player permanently has a little light. So when he gets close to something, he had that light like in forever. You just don't know about it. Hi Akash. Hi. Hello. 8 mini roti. I know what roti is, of course. Been to India a couple of times. A lot of beans and curry and potatoes. That sounds pretty nice. I like the other... Which bread did I... Naan. I think naan I like the most. Like for lunch and stuff, I always had naan with stuff. That always tastes pretty nice. Roti was also good. You Indians. Indians know how to make bread. That's for sure. Yeah, we have a model of... Yeah, we have a player model. Yes, of course. Pretty little guy there. Oh, is non-roti a huge roti? Okay, I don't know. See, I've been there. I've heard. I know the terms, but I don't know what they mean. I'm sorry. Okay. So let's turn off the lighting. Let's turn off everything. Let's turn off the player because we don't need it as well. No, what I want to test why I put the player in here is actually if I press play now, how many errors will we have? Make a guess. Send. I don't care what that is. I don't want to press play because that's going to mess up everything. Zero. That's kind of unexpected. That is really unexpected. I'm good with 0. Don't get me wrong. I'm perfect with 0. I like it. That's okay. Why 0? Why no error at all? Crazy. Good. Sky and fog. That's a global volume that goes there. Player goes also. Why would you have your transform like that? Let's reset that. Let's go there. Yeah, okay. Good. So. No, I don't want that horror in the game. She might be dead, but she's not controlled by spiders. No error means not enough code. Hi, Roy. No, that means I make the player correct and it should work. It maybe is just that it might just be because... No, look at how much code there is. There's so much code in this. There's probably 1,000 lines of code on the player character. So it works. It just works, okay? Can we just say it works, please? Pretty please? Pretty please? It should. So, how do we do this? How do I do things? I completely forgot. I think I have like a set download that is called mines. We could use the prefabs. They're probably not Hdrp. They are. They are Hdrp. Love it. Hi, Akash. Wait, did you just switch from YouTube to Twitch? That's crazy. You Python. Yeah, Python tutors, they probably are really nice because it's a new language and they're probably pretty young. Most young people are pretty nice from my experience. Because I don't know how to start here right now. You don't see those warnings. They don't exist. Didn't see anything. There's a lot of warnings when I enter this here, the main area. Let's add this minecart and stuff here a little bit, right? So we basically make a little mine area because I don't really know how to start right now. And before I start, I just want to do things. I want to have this here kind of done. There's intersections and there's shafts. I'm going to use those. Like intersections, shafts, they're 3-dimensional, so we can really get in there and stuff. I will use those for designing the... You don't see that arrow down there. That's not there. Let's put like a track out here and a stop and stuff like that. Just to have also things here outside that I can work with. Do those have a... No, they don't. Okay. Let's turn that around. Let's have that here. That leads into the mine. Is that sitting on top? Yeah, that kind of sits on top. That's fine. I don't want a broken one. I want one that is... just a shaft. Wait, there was something nice. I saw shaft down. No, shaft, just shaft. Track down. What does track down mean? Track straight and track down. I don't care. Track. Track is track. Yeah, we're just making that little area, so it kind of looks like something. They gotta connect, right? If they don't connect, they won't work. Kind of. I mean, no one's gonna look at it anyway. Yeah, I know. I've got like Twitch. I've got what's it called? Channel points. I don't know what you can do with those, but you get points for it. I'm an engineer. I studied electrical engineering and am working in the field of automation engineering. That's okay. That's kind of broken here. Great. What else do we have? Rubble. I know we've already used rubble. Fence? Do we want fenced? Yeah, this area is fenced. Sure, why not? Let's fence this area. And yeah, I'm just doing this because I really don't know how to start right now. And we already made a lot of concept and stuff, so we made good stuff today already. So I don't want to mess it up. It's just a little fenced area here. Let's make some more fences. It's just... What? Why? What? What is this monstrosity? What? Brother's software engineer. My fiance, she's a software engineer as well. Why? Who did that model like this? This is absolute craziness. Wait, no. What? Am I the crazy one? What? This is strange. This is a strange thing. Oh, it's because it's it's multiple elements. That's why. Oh, this is shit. But okay. Can do. I don't care. Fences. Let's just put fences here. I don't care. Let's just do it manually. There's one fence. I mean, the fences, they don't really make much sense because you can just walk around, but I don't care. If you can do it better, just go. Do it better then. And this is a cheap-ass fenced area here. This is really not good. Not a good fenced area. It's just to keep you outside with your silly questions. No. Just kidding. Just kidding. Okay. I mean, I'm just putting stuff to make it look like it's more than it actually is. That's what people do. That's how this stuff works. No, a software engineer does not mean that they're good with IT. Because IT is also hardware and networking and that kind of stuff. Software engineer, I mean, you have a tendency, of course. But software engineering is more really the software behind. By the way, I should not have sprayed WD-40 like lubricant here because now I smell it all the time and my head goes all dizzy. Woo! That's the good stuff, I tell you. We've got this stupid ass fence around here that doesn't do shit, but that's okay. Whoops. It's okay. Yeah, it's okay. I mean, sure, why not? Do they have a collider? Can I go in there? They've got colliders, so they're fine. Ah, it's really too much. Like the WD-40, that's crazy stuff. Can I walk over it? No. Yeah, that's okay. So we get to this fenced off area, and then we're like, what the fuck's going on here? And then we see that, and that's okay. Yeah, Akash, that's still the horror game that we're working on. Yes. Whoops. I didn't think I would work on it for such a long time. It's really insane. What else do we have here? Buffer stop? Yeah, that goes in the end here. Makes sense. Do I also have a card? Yeah. So we have cards that we can place here, but I kind of want these, you know, to stop here. So we've got this old ass mine, right? Put a zombie in there and named him Gilbert. I love the comics. Do you know the Gilbert comics? Those are fantastic. As an IT guy, that's probably why you remember it now. Those IT comics, they are fantastic. Or Dilbert? Gilbert? Dilbert, right? He's called Dilbert. Boink. This one fell down. On how to decide to study, I don't know. Do whatever you think is good with you. That's the thing. I probably never really wanted to study what I studied. I mean, I had a general interest in electric engineering, but I was more interested in what I'm doing now, in this gaming stuff and so I should have probably studied something in that direction. But in the end, you just study for a degree. That's the main thing. Probably 70% of my classmates, they just studied for, like, the degree. That's what I did as well. And that degree just opens doors. Tiny jump scare in the loading screen? Yeah, maybe. Oh, I have to open the window. Give me a second. I have to open the window because of the lubricant. Ah, my head just goes dizzy. Dizzy head goes. Boo. Dizzy head goes. Hey, wow. Oh, let's put shit in there. Sure, why not? There's rubble. There's silver in here. There's more rubble. I'm just putting things to make it a little bit more. Did I now grab rubble this 3 times? Gold! Gold. Sure, why not? You know, the silver nuggets that goes here. Sure, why not? And you're fine. Ah, it should be okay. By the way, what is by the way? Let's put rocks. Let's just put some rocks in here. Because rocks, rock 5, definitely. Yeah, gold. Yeah, maybe one more. I want gold, more gold. That's okay. That's enough. And then make it the serious one. Don't just plan it. Just do it. Just go for it. So that's okay. We've got a mining shaft with a spider in there. There's no spider and no mining shaft yet, but we've got the entry area. Let's check it out. It looks nice. The moon. This I can still enter. That looks okay. Hey, I can go here. This should stop me. Yes. This should not stop. I've got feet. I'm still just this feet creature. But we have a player model that we can see in mirrors and stuff. I mean, we cannot look in there, so that's okay. And then this should block us. Which it will. Which it doesn't yet, because I did not. Add a box collider, and that box collider, of course, will be much bigger. Let's see if that works. Yeah, studying. I'm still thinking about the question from you, Hartux. Studying, as it was really... Most important part is really getting the degree. From my experience. Of course, the experience you make in the studies is also nice to have, but... As long as you get the degree, most important part. Yeah, so that's okay. We've got this little entrance now. That should be fine. That's okay. That's all we needed. I'm really getting dizzy. Guys, I'm really getting dizzy because of that spray. I think I gotta take a break there or something. Woo. We've got trees. What else do we have? Fences, gold dust. That's okay. Hammer. We've got lanterns. We've got a pickaxe. Let's throw a nice pickaxe in here. That's tiny. Why is that pickaxe so tiny? Nah, let's not throw a pickaxe in there. Players will think they can pick it up. Mine shafts. I think we're good, and I can actually put some Minecraft wheelbarrow. That's a nice thing. Let's put a wheelbarrow here. That's sitting on the ground already? Doesn't look like. Wheelbarrow. Let's put rocks in there as always. That's a huge ass rock. Tiny, tiny. That's a smaller one. Still huge, but smaller, definitely. And now, that's definitely smaller. Why do I always take the same rock? Why is there only rock 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7? What happened to the other rocks? Strange. There's still things on there, but they never got picked up. Of course, there's kind of a spider plague going on. I like that whoever created this called those shafts. Not shafts, but shaft. I think I paid a couple of euros for that. That's okay. We could have a shovel, but that again could be used as a weapon. Let's put a shovel here, I don't care. Where the frick is the shovel? There it is. Nah, I don't know where to place it. There's a hammer. I could have used a hammer. Not a crowbar, hammer. Okay. I'm getting tired and really dizzy from that stuff. It probably says on the thing, don't use it indoors with closed windows. Don't be that guy. Make a guess. I am that guy. All of these belong to there, right? Yeah. Spider cave entrance web. I'll put that in a quest thing later. There's more fences down here. Why are there more fences down there? Okay. Another fence. Why are they all not sorted at all? Okay, let's try to start with the other room. Game Forest Night. No, that is Location Spider Cave. I'm really getting a big headache now. Why am I so stupid? Yeah, that helped. Player goes boink. Let's put a cave around. Let's see what happens. I just want to see, because I can't remember what happens. Mines. Let's grab. Because I have it, I can. Let's just use the stuff we have here. Oh my god, my throat also hurts. What's going on? I think I just killed myself. I'm sorry. If I just drop that, that's it. Don't do anything about it. That's just it. I had a long life. That's fine. Shaft intersection. That one sounds nice. 0, 0, 0. That's where the player is as well. Let's yank that up. That's a bit bigger. Will that work already? That might work already. Maybe we can stand on it? I don't know. Oh, we can. You see that light? Like, it's all the zone light here. The cave just has that poopy brownish color right now, which is okay. I mean, it's not perfect, but it's okay. We can't even see the top. That's pretty awesome. Okay, I didn't think it would work this easily. Let's make those maybe 3 by 3 by 3, so not too big. Let's not make it so orangey. I can control this with this stuff here, I think. Do I? No, with the player. The player has this light on him. Point light. Yes, that point light might be the poopy one. Yes, it is. Because it's the only light source right now. It's a very soft and weak light source, but it's the only one right now, so it's of course stronger. Yeah, there we go. And whoa, the fog is thick. Oh, that's some thick fog in here. That's too thick. Let's make the fog not that thick. How do I make it less thick? Got film grain filter on. Oh, interesting. Yeah. Large film grain. Oh, that one looks actually nice. That's okay. Color. Sky color. No, not sky color. Tint. Yeah. Whoa, that looked awesome. Just changing from effect to effect. Just awesome. I mean, that's too far, but maybe 10 meters. It's okay. Does that look okay? And with the flashlight on, I can actually see a bit of it. With it off, I think the light is way too strong. The light that the player has. Range 5. No, let's make it range like 2-ish. Let's make it 3-ish, but definitely not as strong. Yeah, the problem is because there's no other light source, the source we have is really, really strong. Oh, radius 10. Why do I have radius 10? That doesn't make sense. That's a bit better, but not so much. Radius, no. I mean, yeah, okay, it's okay. Let's make it 3. Let's make it a point light. Yeah, let's make it range 2. Range 3, but very, very not so strong. 1 lumen. The thing is... Oh yeah, it's gonna burn our eyes out when we turn it on. It's got a nice... Yeah, it's got a nice flow to it. The thing is, here in the cave, we really have to work with our battery lifetime because they have limited battery lifetime. Oh, who would have guessed? So we're really gonna run around like this. It's okay. Whenever we want, we can turn it on, but okay. I think if I now press stop, I'm gonna lose all my parameters here that I don't want to. So I'm gonna do this. Yes, I would have. 3, that's 1 lumen, that's a range of 3. Volumetrics. Do I really want to have volumetrics on this one? Do I really want this one to react on fog? Probably don't want to. Okay, opinion. Volumetrics on, like this. If the flashlight is off right now, it looks like this. Flashlight on like this with volumetrics on. If I have volumetrics off, it just looks like this. This one still has volumetrics though, that doesn't matter. I like off more, I'm honest. I like off more. But on also has something, like it's with the fog. It's the fog. I mean, don't look, everything looks like shit right now. It looks amazing. Yeah, everything looks amazing. Like this stuff. It's easy to make it look pretty and more, but I don't want to overdo it. What happens very fast is you overdo it and then the player is like, oh, this looks like shit. That happens very fast. Maybe... This is not really playing around with things. Why do I have a bloom filter on? Ah, it's okay. I could turn the fog off anyway. No, it's not. Yeah, it's a post-processing script pack. It's the Hdrp, high definition render pipeline. You can do way more things with it. Right now, it doesn't even look pretty. You can make it look really pretty. Like, I can show you what is possible with it. Like, where I really put some effort in. Not too much, but I already like have it as the final product. Is, for example, here. Don't look at the arrows. Never look at the arrows that I have. Never do that. Never. Don't you dare. For example, at the street light, when you drive on the road. Basically, this is with the standard package, it will look like this. Right? That's the standard package. No fog on, just normal lighting and that stuff. And if you have the set on, basically it will look like this, something like this. Where you have volumetric lighting and you see the shadows, they are much more realistic. Yeah. That definitely is better. So there's a huge difference. So the game actually, when you play it, it looks freaking awesome. I would say, like, for an indie game, it looks amazing. But I it's not done. It's never done. It feels like it's never going to be done. Let me show you. I haven't seen it in a long time. And right now my head doesn't work anymore because I kind of poisoned myself. Let me show you how it looks from the beginning. Because I forgot. I haven't done anything with this game in a week, so let's actually start. Let's play. Let's play. Let's turn off the music. How do I do? How do I turn off Spotify there? Let's ramp. No, don't ramp up the music. Let's turn the music on here. Let's maximize this. Let's actually, while I'm thinking and while I'm trying to get my head back into reality, that's how it looks now. You have your campfire here, for example. Graphics, of course. Let's put the graphics on quality because the slider does something. Yes, definitely. The slider changes stuff. No, it doesn't. There's a loading screen. Yeah, you've got your campfire here. I can't move. Oh, E to stand up. Right, I've got the start intro sequence I forgot about. E to stand up. Let's stand up. Whoop. Yeah, so the light looks way nice. Everything. Ah, my doorbell rings, so I'll see you in a minute. Look at that professional streamer. He even has a screen when there's a short break. Ain't that incredible? Wow. What a guy. What a guy. That's me. Yeah. Sorry, I still had to put that stuff into the fridge and also took a short pee break, maybe. But don't tell anyone. Yeah, shadows look nice. Everything looks nice. Take out your phone. Put away phone. So there's a little tutorial there. Procro, I know color. I know a lot of people use Vim and those kind of editors there. I don't. I'm not a professional. No way. No way I am. So nope. Yeah, look at the glow. Like the glow here on the lake, for example. It's all volumetric now. It's really like it looks pretty freaking amazing. You're like not CMD per se, of course. I don't use any command lines. I use no command line languages, no command line stuff at all. Go away, Jessica. She's not the lady we're going to meet. She's the one we're going to save last. Okay, that was just to show. No, the clouds are just a skybox. They are not volumetric. I could make them volumetric by making local volumetrics, but I don't. I know that's just nonsense for such a game. Don't look at the errors; those don't exist. Samsung and Nokia on top of them. Copyrights again. No, I can't. Copywriting. They will sue me. Oh wait, we start here, right? The forest has some fog. I don't have fog now. Oh, the mouse sensitivity is so high. Wait, I've got a slider for it. That's the only option that you have in the game. Mouse sensitivity higher or lower. Why do we start here? Oh, because I had the other room, yeah. Scene. Wait, no. Oh, because I hit escape, that's why. It restarts the game. That makes sense. Yeah. But hint, if you want to make something look really pretty, really use Hdrp, high definition random. It makes it 10 times more complex. Like, not just 10 times, maybe... Yeah, no, maybe 2 times. Not 10 times. But it is worth it for good graphics, definitely. Great, I didn't get water. Why didn't I get new water when I was having a break? I think this looks okay for in the cave. The fog now, we can see, like, we can still see a little bit, but you can't really see. With the flashlight on, you can see a lot. I like this. This is okay. That fog is fine. Yeet. Just fall down. We're just dead. Okay. I think this will also be the first room. Because I already have it now, and let's just change it a bit. So it looks more like the thing I want. I know I'm also now stretching all the materials on it, but I will try to just do what I do. Section stretched. Boink this on here, and now let's tile it 3 times. Oh yeah, that looks definitely nice. Why did they do that? Oh, they didn't have... Oh, okay. Yeah, that won't work. No. Why do they have the basement? Ooh, look at the basement. Ooh, ugly. I understand why they did it. God damn it. Why didn't they just take a nice material? Can I just take rock material and just put that on there? Where is the material? There. Nope. Yeet. Pink. Can I just... Oh, whoa. I understand why they did that, but ugh, hate it. Sharfed. I mean, it's okay. Okay, I don't really care. It's okay. So we are going to start somewhere in a corner. That's just placeholders for now. We're going to start somewhere in a corner, and then we can't get out. Wait, let's look at the map again. How does it look like? So we will have 3 areas here. One where the spider goes, like the one area the spider goes out. The other area we will be hidden behind some spider webs. And then we will have the third area that we can get out, which is also spider webs, but very weak spider webs. Let's do that. Maybe let's stretch it a bit in this direction. Let's maybe not. Let's make it twice the size. We don't. It doesn't need to really be really big. It's okay. It doesn't need to be big, I think. From what I feel like. Maybe like 3-ish. Maybe a bit bigger. 2.5 there. Then I'm gonna put... Why does it look so stretched to... Wait, that's wrong. Whoops. That's what I want to do. The WD-40 really hits like hard. I can just recommend it. Good stuff. That's the good stuff. So mines, rubble. Where's the rubble stuff? Give me the rubble stuff. Link this in here. So there will be... This will be hidden, like one way you can't go, like shown in the like here. So the one way you can't go, there's 3 ways you can basically go. One way where she's hidden, one way where this the spider goes, and that's going deeper in the mine, which we will not see, and then one way goes out. Let's create that room. It's the starting room here. Let's just get a look and feel. I'm just trying to get like a look and feel right now for it. It's like we're starting like this, and then we've got our phone, and we're like, I can't go this way. I gotta change the footsteps as well, because right now it sounds like we're running in on like dirt or stuff. It's gotta be more rocky. And I can change it, like this should not even take long. I gotta search for good footsteps, but it won't take long once I got them. Let's close in the wall a bit more, because why would that be open here? Let's grab our player. Let's close in the wall completely. Done. Done. Got it. And yes, I need to press play every 5 seconds when I do something. I'm glad my PC can handle it. Yeah, wall's closing in. That's okay. Yeah. We're like, where the fuck am I? That looks okay. Then the spider web is... I mean, the spider goes one way. There's going to be a spider web that we can't ever penetrate. And then, what was that sound? What is going on? Hey, Danilo. Hey, Graham. Hi. Wait.
Welcome to the internet, your gateway to adventure.
Welcome to the internet. Hey, there she is. Hey, Thora, welcome back. 5 months? That's crazy. Hello, loves. That's crazy. Thank you. This channel needs to grow. I'm just realizing 5 months. This channel needs to grow. I need to make more things. I need to become bigger. How do you become big on the internet? I need it. I need bigness. Cobwebs. So we've got cobwebs, cocoons. I've got cocoons that can place. Look at the cocoon being blue and shit. Why are you blue? Why is it blue? Ah, it's compiling. Okay, I was like, this is not correct. This is not right. Oh, it's so glowy. Get all 7 Dragon Balls and wish for it. That's an idea. Why is this so freaking extremely reflective? I know why, but it's crazy. Looks mystical. There's one of them. That's the first Dragon Ball. Only 6 missing. A web top corner, web floor, web corner, web ceiling hanging. Okay, there's so many different web thingies. Web wall. Yes, that's probably the one I want. They probably use web wall, cobweb one side material, whatever that is. I gotta fix the material, not the shader. I can't fix the shader. I don't know how shaders works. I can fix the material though. Material. You got 2 Dragon Balls? Why 2? Which ones do you have? No, I don't know what you mean. No, I don't. No. They both don't count. Did you pass your other exams? Did you only have one exam? You said you passed that one exam, but did you pass the others? Which one did I fix already? This one. Oh my god, it took so long to fix this one. Fuck. Let's try to do it. HDPR lit, and we need this one, and we need this one. Web diff 2, web diff normal. Oh my god, I will not remember that at all. Fuck. That's why I didn't fix them yet, because it's a pain in the ass. Which one was it? Which one have this one here? Okay, Hdrp lit. Is that the correct one? I think so. Hdrp lit, yes. Needs to be transparent. Needs to be preserved, whatever. Yeah, sure, why not? What's the rest? Alpha clipping. Alpha clipping. Alpha clipping threshold will be very low. You passed the whole thing. Oh, you passed the whole thing. Wait, here. That's all you get. Welcome to real life now. Welcome to real life. Start your YouTube career right now, right today. Meister Techniker or Engineer? Go with your gut. Today's situation, I would probably even go for a technician. But I don't know. No, don't take recommendations from me. Just appreciate it. So what else? Now I need the stuff here. I need the things that I just had, that I just said, which was... Fuck, I made a screenshot, but I don't know what it was. WebDiff 2? Was it WebDiff 2? Can someone remember? It was WebDiff 2, right? I think so. WebDiff 2 and Web Normal. Web Normal? Oh my god. I think so. Probably. That's probably it. Maybe it will work. I don't know. Probably won't. Okay, that should have fixed it. Cobweb web wall, I said, right? Yeah. That looks nice. That looks like cobweb. That's okay. Yeah. I mean, I need to fix the rest as well, but it gets better and better. Web ceiling. Oh yeah, we can put spider webs all over the frickin' place now. Which I will do, but not now. What does... Those look way nicer than the one we fixed last time. Why? Transparent alpha 0.4, metalness, smoothness 0.2, 0.5. I think because of those parameters. Let me just... Oh. That's why. Let me just try and flip around things a bit here and there. Because I like it how they look, how the new things look. I hated how the old things look. I like how the new things look. So maybe they will look nicer now. Why can I not see it at all? That's kind of broken. Oh no, there it is. Oh, it's so flimsy. So we've got this is blocked. This is the path that the spider will go. Let's put some thick webs here. Thick ass webs. Make it not too thick. Boinkus. Yes, those 4. Copy and paste. Let's yeet them up here as well. And there we go. Let's see how it looks like. Nothing. That looks like shit now. I love it. That is also why we played around with the spider web the last time, because it also looked like trash. And I paid $50 for it. Wait, no, I didn't. Alright, last time I said I didn't pay anything. So, of course, no, I still had those. Didn't pay shit. That's probably why I changed the parameters, because it looked like trash now. But that's okay. Yeah, it looks like thick spiderwebs. Thick spiderwebs is okay. Just looks disgusting. You cannot really differentiate it from the walls, but I mean a little bit you can. Room, you can have one. Just to celebrate. You can have a second one. You can also have this one. I love that sometimes when I go into classrooms that other people also teach in, they leave those bells. Some teachers have those little bells, and I'm like, ding, 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 ding. I love those. Pretty rare, unfortunately, but I love those. Okay, we've got the spider webs here, and then we have spider webs in there, and Erica is hidden behind there. Right. I'll put that here. Does that make any sense? Do those look nicer? Why did it look so nice in the preview, but so ugly in the real thing? Yeah, kinda. I mean, we could also put a cocoon here. Could say that she's in there. We gotta cut her out or something. It glows. Oh, it's really bright when you get near. I mean, I'm gonna put a couple of cocoons all around, but why is it so shiny? So shiny and new. It doesn't have a mission. If it would have a mission, I would be like, yeah, sure, it's shiny. It doesn't have. It's so reflective. It should not reflect so much. You see fog, yeah, sure. Threshold alpha clipping? Why do you have alpha clipping? But okay. Metalness. Smoothness? Metalness? Smoothness. No smoothness at all. That's the thing. It's spider. I mean, spider webs are pretty smooth. They're silky. That's why you make silk out of them. But it shouldn't be. Wait, that was that was the other way around. Whoops. Maximize on play. Nope. Wow. That's better. Yeah, that's way better. That is how they should look like, kind of. Not 100%, but kind of. Like this. That's better. Just a bit so it looks a little bit like this stuff. 0.9, 0.9, is that okay? Whoops. What did I do? Why is it black now? Nah, 0.9. 0.9. I need that a little bit up. 0.97 and 0.9. Oh, it saves it, okay. In this preview it looks like shit now, it's strange. Change this? No. Good. I mean, I can also try with the other stuff. Let's try with this wall. So it looks pretty. I mean, it looks already like cobweb, so that's okay. Let's see if we can find something nicer. I will do that. I will do, like, I will put a couple of those in the around. I mean, this is probably nicer, right? This looks more like cobweb. If I do this, it's more cobwebby. Yeah, compared to the walls now, it's much better. Much better. Yes, it's much better. Not much better or something? No, it's much better. Whoa, that actually looks pretty shitty. That was like, come on the wall. I mean, that's okay. And yeah, I know, I'm just playing around with a couple of values here. But I want to have nice values. I mean, that looks okay. Yeah. What does that do? Ew. Whoa, what? This looks better. The normal map fucks everything up. Normal space, tangent, object space. Whoa, that looks strange. It's just compiling. You see that in the bottom right corner, there's a charging bar. What is that light there? Is that me? Is it reflective now? Wait, that should not be. But that is me. Has it been there all the time? This little... Oh no, okay. This is strange. Oh, the normal map is fucked up. Oh, that's why I was... Oh. Screw the normal map. Not even kidding. That's why it was messed up all the time. All the time it was... Oh, god damn it. Oh. That ASMR images. Just for your duration. Wait, I don't know if I said it correctly. I don't think I... My microphone, we just lubricated the microphone stand, so that doesn't work anymore. I don't know if that's correct now. Wait. Let me see the mode. That's correct. Yeah, that should be the correct mode. Wait, no. Wait. Ah! Microphone stand. Stop. Stop being stupid. Oh my god, it just... Doesn't keep in place anymore. Stop. Stop. It doesn't keep in place anymore. Oh no. I think I have to tighten a screw now. It's lubricated too much. It's too good now. Whoop. I'm out. Yeah. Wait, no, that's the mode. That's the standard mode that I'm using. The other mode is strange. The problem is it's really not staying in place now. I gotta get some tissues or something. I don't have anything here, I think. No. I could use... I've got like a wiper for my glasses that I could use. But there's still so much lubricant. Probably that's why. That doesn't work. I have to get something. God damn it. Are you kidding me? How? Is there not a screw? Is there no screw to tighten that one? I mean, I could do it like this. The struggle is real right now. No, it's not your fault. It's my fault for lubricating it in the first place. Why? I mean, I think I have to tighten the screw. But it's a hex key. And I don't want to search for the size right now. I have it here, but I don't want to search. Great. Now my fingers smell like WD-40, if you know that smell. How did I manage to do that? I don't know what I'm doing. I didn't break it, but I broke it. It should be this screw here. Oh my god, it's too much lubrication. I'm getting tissues now or something. I'll be right back. This is stupid, I'm sorry. This sounds way too sexual. Why is sexual? It's not sexual. It's not. I just got tempo. I just got tempos. Here's your ASMR. I mean, it should help a little bit, but I'm pretty sure it's just fucked now. Let's see. Yay! No! What? How? No! Okay, I'm getting the big... I'm getting my toolbox. Or, I don't have a toolbox, but I'm getting my tools. Or some tools, I don't know. It's broken. I just hope. And yes, that's the stream now. I just hope that I've got the right size here. I've got my nice little. Is it wrench set? I don't know how that's called. Got my nice little set of bits here. How's it called in English? I don't know. Whoops. It's not a 0.5. It might be. I hope it's German. No, it's way too small. It's a 7. Ah, it's a 7. That fits. Tell us the size. It's a size 7. Size 7. That's the other way around. Ooh, that was loose. Oh, that one was loose as frick. That one's tight. Yes! Oh my god. Those were loose. Those were really, really loose. 7 is pretty small. Yeah, sorry. I also have... What else do I have? I've got the big ones here. There's the 14. Yeah, I've got the 14 as well. Ooh. Oh, they were really loose. Like the screws on my microphone stand, they were extremely loose. Oh, that feels so much... Oh, I can... Oh... I was wondering if it was broken. No, it's actually just... I got it. Wait, there's a couple more screws. I'm just tightening screws now. Sorry. Guys, I gotta do it. This one I can't reach. That's okay. It's got 2. Oh my god. I mean, they're supposed to be a little bit loose, so I can... 14 is average. Is 14 average? I think 12.5 or 13.5. Something like that is average. Every teenager finds out. Every teenager's like, oh, what's average size? And then you're like, oh, that's 13.5? That's okay. I'm right there. That's okay. 13.5, that's pretty average. I'm not saying I'm right there, but... like, I definitely don't have to hide. I've got 14 after all, you know. There you go. Yeah. And I even have that big chunkus. Look at that fat chunkus here. That's just a huge hex bolt. H8. That's a huge one. And if everything goes wrong, I've got this bad boy. Oh, I can do it around the corner. I love it. Now I know I'm just fooling around, but look at this. I can, like, this bit goes around the corner. I love it. I love my little set that I have here. Or just connect them. Like, this is bendy. It's a bendy one. Wow. I know it's a standard set of... I don't know what that is. A screwdriver. But nice to have. Oh my god, this feels so much nicer now, and it's not squealing. It's not squeaking anymore. Oh my god, this is so much better. Why didn't I do this, like, in forever? I mean, the lubricant that we used earlier, of course, that was the point of no return. But crazy. It actually stays in place now. The problem that I had with my microphone, if I pushed it somewhere, it didn't stay there, it just dropped a little bit. Always. And now it just stays wherever I put it. That's great. It just stays there. It just stays up, you know? I've had the problem for years now, and now it just stays up. After using lubrication, that's the trick. Yep. Oh yeah, the bendy one. Those are the best. I never used the bendy one, but yeah, those are good ones. So I'm sorry. Where were we? Great. Now it squeals again. That's okay. Got those. Ooh, look at this. If we go far away, it's just dark and black now. It eats the light from the surrounding. Ooh, we get close, like, ooh. That's pretty cool. You can't see that, but that's pretty cool. When I just now get close, it just pops up like very sudden. I like it. Yeah, there's gotta be some hanging from the ceiling. Let's put them there, maybe. Nah, I can do that off screen. It's supposed to be kind of scary, you know. That's the thing. It's supposed to be scary. So I have to fix all the other web thingies. Don't want to, but I have to. But then, yeah, the other shaft will lead here. That one is the cobweb that is not too strong, like the weak-ass cobweb. I don't know how I will show that, but there's weak-ass cobweb, and there's a strong cobweb. I don't know the difference yet, but it will be there. So let's build the mining shaft. We wanted to build the mining shaft, and there's just... Let's build track, down track, straight rail. Straight wider, straight rail. Yeah, that's the one. Hi, Super Hash Boy. You have homework to do? Oh no. I would say as an adult you never have to do real homework or something, but I have to do homework every day. I've got tasks, I've got chores, I've got work, so unfortunately it never changes. What's the 3, 2.5, 3. 3, 2.5, and 3. They have to be on the same Y level, which is 0. Yeah, it's... I know. Oh, you also have to do other stuff, like cooking and cleaning up and stuff. There's always something to do. Why is that not... Oh, no, it fits. Okay. I want to say, why wouldn't it fit? And yoink this in here, and done. So now I've got a shaft connecting the thing here. I mean, they don't fit 100% perfect, but that's probably okay. It's dark anyway. No one's gonna inspect it like on detail level. Boink. Yeah, we've got this mine shaft. Yeah, that fits. I like it. Oh no, it fits. It actually fits really good. Yeah, not 100%. Like there's edges you can see, but only on close inspection. That's fine. It's indie stuff. That's perfectly fine. Hi, Wolfsallow. Hi. Wait. Why? Sounds. Hi.
Welcome to the internet, your gateway to adventure.
Yeah, that's... I should replace that with welcome to my channel. What's up? It's me. What genre of game to make, if you want to make one? I've just got the perfect tutorial for you. Check out my channel. The last 10 videos, no, the last 9 videos I think I made have all been for Unity, where in the end we're going to have like a what's it, like a clone of, or a cheap ass single player clone of Fall Guys. That's pretty much what we're doing. What do you mean for playing? For playing, I don't know, something casual. So there's the mine shaft. We can just go in here and then we follow the mine. You bad Wi-Fi. That's what I meant with I have to go down with the bitrate. And for next time, I will go down with the bitrate. It's too high. I'm sorry if it doesn't load. You put them on your place. Hey, yeah. So then we go here. We go this way, and then we follow the mine shaft. And then there's gonna be like a... let's put 2 of those. Just put 2 of those in sequence. I mean, if we connect them properly, they will perfectly align, I guess, but who cares? No proper alignment has ever stopped me from doing anything. And now we need to like have a curve in there. Left. Is that a T section to the left? 3, 2.5, 2.5. 0. A T section? Is that like a curve? Yeah, it is. That's exactly what I want. You never rest in peace knowing the Wi-Fi exists. Oh no. Wait, that's the other left. Oh wait, I gotta connect it like this, then it's the correct left. Huh? It's too small. Why is it too small? It doesn't fit. Why wouldn't it fit? Why wouldn't it fit? Why wouldn't it fit? I mean, I'm just gonna make a T section, but why wouldn't it fit? Another T section. Do we have a T section? Yeah, T section. There we go. I mean, not really a T section, but okay. 3, 2.5, and 3. That should fit. I think that's the reason why I didn't really pivot is okay. Why I didn't really use this set of prefabs and stuff, because it just doesn't really work. It doesn't fit. I mean, it's a nice set, but it doesn't really fit. So there's this, right? There's this nice T section here. And then we go down here. Why is it so wide? That's way too wide. Why is it so wide? Is it? It looks like it. It seems like it's wider than the one we have, but okay, we'll find out. Restart Twitch? Sure, go restart. Ah, you can't hear me. So nothing that I say will reach your ears. Okay. That's fine. I mean, now we should have the track, the track. What's it called? Do I have track? Do I have a like folder with tracks or something? It's textures, it's plugins. Don't I have like prefabs? Track? Don't. Shaft split. That's what I want. Shaft split with a track. Yes, that's perfect. That's the one I want. 3, 2.5. Why didn't I turn back on the music? I just realized when I came back from the delivery I did not turn back on my music, which I should have, because now I'm just having my headphones on, and that's kind of stupid. Shaft split, like, no, that's not what I'm talking about, and you know that very well, young lady. That is not at all what I'm talking about. That doesn't fit, but okay. That kind of fits. Nothing here fits 100%, but better than nothing. Oh, there's even one of those stick thingies. Touché. What angle is it? Like, we would need the correct angle now, actually. Whoa, that's kind of stupid. Maybe that angle? Does it work now? Hey, Wolf, it works now. Yay. Welcome. So that just pops in there. That looks nice. That looks perfect. Nothing here fits 100% correct. I can just repeat myself, but that doesn't matter. That won't stop me from just going for it. Let's put this side here just rubble in so the player can't go there. Yeah, this is part of the horror game. Yes, 100%. We are in a mine and there's a spider that follows us and we need to get out because it's going to eat us if we don't. And we have to save our friend. There's a friend of us in here. And all of that is going on. Here's the concept. That's what we've been working on in the first hour. We've got a concept. So we start in the mine, that in the room that I just created. We start and there's the spider that goes away, and then we've got the friend that is stuck in there, and then we go into an entry area that is like a little house, like a mining entrance. Erica is in here. Erica is there. Erica will be in there, yes. And then we're in the entry area, and the spider follows us. We can hide and stuff. There's a lot going on here. We've got a nice concept going on. So that is there. Let's put more rubble here so it doesn't look too empty. Let's put more rubble, more rubble. More rubble. This is a cave-in, right? That's a caved-in area that we cannot really enter. Another one maybe here. Yeah, it's okay. Yeah, planning is really an important part. Planning, like without planning, that's why I wanted it to do like as the first part of the stream today, because without it, like I'm lost. I don't really continue working on this game when I'm not streaming it. One reason is because I have lost the kind of track of what I'm doing. So that annoyed me, so that's why I try to make plans now. And of course I won't do that forever, but I'll try it for now. Alright. Caved in. We go in here, and we've got this split, and that is now... If we look at the plan, this was the corner that I just closed up, like here. And we can go this way, that's the T section. And we're going this way right now into an entry area. So that's what we're making now, this entry area. Did I know that? I know everything. Everything. So if you start with, did you know, then the answer is yes. Not Jessica! No, Jessica! Boo. Jessica, boo. Jessica. with which was it Mr. Wilson? Good old Mr. Wilson. Okay, so we've got this. I just want to get a feeling for this. We can go down without... Go down mineshaft. Alright, SB. Hi, SB. I've got stupid sounds now, yes. Get used to it. Yeah, that looks like the cave in here. It's okay. Turn off the light, we can still see the tracks and stuff. That's okay. I mean, making progress, that's okay. That's really good, actually. So the next thing that we would need is like a combination room, like the entry area. So we are there, we are right now here. We need this entry area. That is really a normal room. Good evening to you. Thank you. A normal room. That's it. It's a room. Do I have something like rooms? I don't think I have rooms. I probably have. Yeah, the German skills are really good here. Do I have something like rooms? I have so many prefabs downloaded, copyrighted. What's in there? Oh, there's things in the copyrighted folder. Perfect. Downloaded. Abandoned Asylum. Maybe you've got nice things in there. Prefabs. Antlers. Can you please load? Repaint scene? What? I just selected a thing and now it's reloading? And it's repainting stuff? No, good. Okay, it's just loading. But I don't have rooms in here. That's a thing. I think, do I? Elevator? Ooh. Maybe we have rooms. I'm just clicking through some assets until I find something nice. I mean, we can take a lot of those prefabs already and put them all around the scene. No. Don't have pre-done rooms or walls. I mean, there's probably a lot of sets, but I just want to see if I already have any. All sky, no army bunker. No, that's definitely not it. Beach essentials, no, not it. Car, no curses. Dank Death? What was Dank Death? Hospital Horror Fab. That might have something. I mean, it's got walls. I could use the walls. I think I'm gonna... yeah. I'm just gonna... Why? What's that? Why does that exist? It's got ceilings and stuff. Yeah, I think I'm gonna just use that stuff. First, we need another entry area to the mine. That is still, of course, rocky and stuff. This is not a done room. This is really like another one of those big chunkos. This chunko here. Boink and grab it. This goes here as well. What's the angle? I think I messed up the angles here. What's the angle of this? 300. What is the angle? Why does it split it up like this? What is the angle then? If it does that, it's not mathematically. I cannot find out mathematically, but it's definitely something else. Minus 300. That's better. No. Minus 305. That might be it. No. Minus 310. That's it. For whatever reason, but minus 310. Rambo's clone. You're very welcome, Rambo's clone. Yeah, new to my channel. That's great. I haven't done any TIA videos, I think, in 5 months or so. I will get back to it, but now we're making Unity, and there's a Unity series started, so if you are interested in game development, just stay a while and listen and watch the videos. But yeah, hi, welcome.
Welcome to the internet, your gateway to adventure.
Love it. Did I say Big Chungus? I never said Big Chungus. You want to play the game? You can download it if you want to. You can actually download the game. It's an early alpha version. Let me share the link. If you want, you can actually already download it. The version that is out there. There you go. There's the link. Can we do Tier Tuesday again? Yeah, as if you ever watched one of my technical videos, young lady. Hey, welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Do I have something for welcome back? I don't have something for welcome back. I need something. Maybe that. Welcome back. That doesn't fit now. What did you miss? We have... I don't know when you left. So, but we are now at the... we're now actually implementing the map stuff. I am right now here. I'm now building the entry area. Right, this one here. I am building the entry area. You watched 1 or 2. Yeah, that's more. I've got like 200, but that's okay. You watched 1 or 2. Hey, Ramos clone. Hey, thanks for the follow. So minus 310. Do I have to make that also minus 310 then? To make it fit? Yes. Okay, that's okay, that's okay. So this is the exit then. So that's this, the exit is down here then actually. Yeah, so this will look different than we've got it written down here. The exit will be down here on the other side. Something like this. And then this will go out to that side. Yeah, Jackbox, I'm thinking about Jackbox stream pretty soon. Not today, but I was thinking like I should do more Jackbox, you're right. I will. So now we've got this, and now what is missing is a rail that goes out. I want to curve it actually. I want to curve the rail this way. No, it goes straight out. It goes out straight. Track down. No, track straight. Look how tiny it is. That doesn't fit. Minus 310. Let's make the minus 310 trick again. Hey, I forgot what that really is, but minus 310. Why is it so tiny? Because 3, 2.5, and 3. There we go. That's the wrong way. Minus 180. What will that be? 490. Plus 360. That's it. Minus 130. That's what we at. Boink. You got the gist of my videos in 30 seconds. I don't think so. Most of the videos you probably have to watch more than 30 seconds. And we still need to finish Raft. You're right. There's so many things. You're never there. I'm always online. Let me look and look at this. What's up, boomers? What's that? Why am I being called a boomer in my own Discord? Oh my goodness. Captain's internet sucks, does it? Like just from yesterday on, he told me like the day before or so. And this is now, again, here's Cobweb. This is the exit, so we have to open the exit. And that's the same hard cobweb as this. Let's grab it and put it at the entrance area here. Bloink. There we go. So that is the exit out of the mines. And now we will just have to make the other two, which now, those are not on opposing sides. This will be on this side, but it doesn't matter. I will change the PowerPoint. No, I won't, but I've got the plan. I know what the plan is. I know what I'm doing, I think. Yes. No. Maybe. I don't know. Can you repeat the question? Love that song. Yeah, not the box of me now. Yeah, not the box of me now. Yeah, not the box of me now. So, okay. What we will need to do is there needs to be a shaft here, and that needs to lead into one room. The only problem is, how do I frickin' do that? I would just put... No, that's easy. I'll just put shafts there and then it's done. DMCA already, yeah, because I did it so good that I'm definitely getting DMCA. Shit. Why did I do that? I should have known. And that's like this, and then there's going to be the nice room. I definitely know what I'm doing. Everything here looks kind of the same, but I mean, it's a mine. What do you expect? Of course it does. Minus 310. Is that also... Can I also do minus 310 here? No, because it's... rotation. I mean, minus 90. Minus 310, minus 90 is blah, 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 plus 90 is that. Yeah. Just splice this in here. Does that work? What's that corner thingy here? Oh yeah, it works. It's just too much. It's just too close in there. Yes. Kind of. Should be fine. Not going for 100% pretty here. So, and this is where the, how do we call it? And this is where the changing room will be. Right there. So what I will do is I'll just grab that one of those. Flip that by 180. Which is this. And just push it right there. And now we've got this chunky ass room. We've got this chunky ass room, and that is the changing room. Right. I know it is like I might put nice ground on this or something, but no, it's a mine. Why would I? Maybe some flooring, but not much. And then on the other hand, the shower will be there. Yeah. I mean, kind of. See, that's the shaft that we have. The shaft connects to the changing room. Perfect. Not perfect, but definitely good enough for me. Yes. Let's just take some rubble and close those as well. Yeah, gebrochene Fliesen, like stuff like that. Exactly that stuff I want to put there. Yep. And I've got some like this in here, in there. Something like that. Let's make it also 3, 2.5, 3. Like this. It doesn't fit 100% now, but I mean, kinda does. Yay or nay? What do you say? More broken ones. I cannot change that. That's the one I have. I cannot change that, unfortunately. More broken ones and a little smaller. Okay. Smaller can do. But more broken ones cannot do, unfortunately. Something like that. It's 500. They're not perfectly what is this? Why is that happening? But I won't make that right now. I will just have those as a placeholder here so we can change it. So we can add those as a ground. But it's a good idea because this changing room area here and stuff, it should be a little bit nicer than the mines, right? Because you're also running around barefoot a little bit. So I will also probably make walls and that kind of stuff. Why does it look like that, by the way? Why is that higher than the rest? Why would they? Why would... Like this. It's gotta be a little bit higher now. It's okay. Doesn't matter. I can't leave it as placeholder. I gotta correct it now already. Freedom to Navalny? Don't even know. What is Navalny? You don't have a platform here. I'm sorry, you don't have a platform here. Handed new James turrets as he denounced Putin the prisoner. And we're not being political here, but anti-corruption sounds nice. But I don't know what's going on there, so you go out there, spread whatever word you want, but I won't. I will neither support nor say it's stupid. It's your thing, go out, do what's best. Yeah, I know that the miners don't mind. I haven't. I actually have never seen My Bloody Valentine. At least not. What? That's the broken tiles. That's stupid. At least not when I was at my full consciousness, I think. Which means I was drunk. Probably when I watched it. But I can't remember. I just put floor here. Boink. Can I just... I'm pushing this around. Wait, it's the local one. Yes, that makes sense. I have to do it manually then. Oh shit. I don't want to do that then. Yes, global rotation, no rotation at all. It will look stupid because it's kind of not tiled with the room, but that's stupid. No, I want to tile it with the room. No, I want to do something first. Some nice kills get stacked up. Oh no, I think I even remember parts of it. I think I remember parts of it. Let's build a room out of those tiles. How big are they? How big do I have to tile them? 6? Okay, 6. What? What? Something's not really kosher here. Can I say that? Is kosher a word I can actually say? Or is that politically not correct? The problem I have is if I reuse that floor, we will always have the same pattern. Why are they not perfectly aligned? That's stupid. They're kind of almost perfectly aligned, but also kind of aren't. I think I need 3. Floor 1. Copy. Paste. They're not aligned at all. Like, this is... Ugh. Kidding me? Is that bigger? That's even bigger. They don't fit at all. I think kosher is even English, yeah. I think it's even spelled as the German word. I didn't know it's just Jewish. Kasher. Kashrut. Kosher. Yeah. No, I was just talking about, is that politically correct nowadays to even mention stuff like that? But frankly, I mean, yes, it should be. I mean, this is not perfect now, but it's okay. Oops. There we go. That's a ground plate. Let's make a new object. Ground plate. Put all of these bad boys in there. 2 are missing. Why are 2 missing? That one is missing, and one more. That one is also missing. Okay. That's all of them, and let's bring that back there. Look at this. It almost fits perfect in the room. Just from the size, I would say it is like destined to be in here. Yes. Just from the sheer size. Problem is it's now hovering a little bit on top, but no one cares. You know why no one cares? Because I'm gonna fix it. I know what I'm doing. I will put some rubble here. That will even look nice, because it goes from good to bad and from bad to good. Rubble 4 is my favorite rubble here. Let's do that. Rotate a bit. Yeah, that's probably okay. So this, whoops. 4. It's maybe, it's okay. Three by 3. We'll have a nice rubblish thingy here. Like this, like that. Let's tilt it a bit, I think. Yeah, I'm also gonna head out in like 10 minutes or so. Thanks for joining. See ya. And we gotta continue playing the stuff you said, you right? We should. So have a nice evening. Bye bye. So something like this, that's okay-ish. The thing is now I have to have the collider correct of this one. If this one is not correct, it will be annoying. Let's make it just very small and thin. That should be fine. Do these have colliders? Yes, they do. They do. Mesh? Why mesh? Why not just box? But okay, who am I to judge? So, by the way, good idea. Good idea. I will also almost head out. I will just check out how the mines look now. Let's get a nice look and feel in full screen. Let's get this nice look and feel in. And then maybe it works. I think it will. And then I'm gonna call it a day. Look at this. This is mine. Oh, spider webs. Ooh, creepy. It's kind of creepy. Like if I turn it off, especially, I can't see anything anymore. Or very close only. That's the rubble place. That's okay. Ah, I'm really wrecking. On the tracks, it's like. That's okay. We can't go left. We can't go. Oh, we can't still go there. That's a small problem. This looks nice, like as a transition. That's okay. It's an okay transition. It feels okay. It's quite nice. Why am I jumping up and down here? Oh, I can fall. Oops. That's right, that's not good. They have different colliders. Oh, are you kidding me? Whoever made those? I hate you. Let's fix the colliders of those and then I'm gonna call it. Convex. Those are different than the rest. Let's see, convex. Yeah, that's sure, that's fine. The problem is they're a little bit higher. Fine, then I know what I'll do. So those are all the floors that are here. All the floors. I want to select. It's the object or the floor thingy? It's the floor thingy. So I will just take the floor thingy. I know it's a prefab. I could just take the prefab, but no. I don't want to destroy it forever. So I just take those and I will just deactivate the collider that's on it. I won't even delete it because hey, I shouldn't. I will just deactivate it and now we cannot walk into it anymore. That should be nicer. We can walk through it. That's the thing. let's see. Because it was kind of annoying, I will also make another collider on there, like a global one for all of them together. If that doesn't, if it feels stupid right now, I will make another collider for the global floor. That looks nice. Ah, that looks nice and broken here. Yeah, we're falling down a little bit. I don't really like it. Let's make a global collider for the floor. Ground plate. Whoops, I pressed the wrong button. I always press the wrong buttons. All the time. So this one will get a box collider. And I will just... Where is it? Where is the collider? What? Where is it? Where is it? See it? Where is it? There? Why is it up here? Why is it up there? What? Why? Why would it be? Boink. Oops. Edit the collider. Yes. That's gonna take a minute to actually really fix it. Doesn't need to be perfect here. And now for the other side. Whoops. I don't see it anymore. It's up there. Why is it so high? Almost done. I only fixed 2 sides. Did I? That's still too high. That's too high. Let's bring it down a bit. Bit higher. That's okay. Why didn't I? What? Did I do it correct? No, I didn't. Wait, I had the wrong camera angle. I'm an idiot. I pressed the wrong thing. That's good. That's good. That one's awesome. This one is freaking amazing. Let's check it out from another view angle. From this one here, for example. That's okay. Isometric view it is. And let's go there one more time, and then I'm gonna call it a day, my friends. I know. I'm sorry. But I'm getting tired. I need some rest. I will get some rest, and so should you. You should also. We've done a lot today. We have a new level. We've got the plan, what's going on. We have done good things today. There's the room. This looks nice. We can walk smoothly on it. I like this. Maybe some walls would not be too bad, but we'll see about it. Definitely in the shower area. Maybe not in the room. Good. I will press save now. I will close the application. I will go boinkers. I will go boinkers. I'm stretching now. Yes, that's what I wanted to do. And I'm going to get some rest now. Thank you guys for joining on this trip. We've been programming 3 hours. That's great. I will let you know when I'm online the next time. Always Tuesdays, Fridays, Sundays, maybe once or twice more this week, depending on the workload I have. I will let you know. All right. So thank you and have a nice evening, my friends. Have a nice evening. Thanks for joining. See ya. Bye-bye. Bye. Wait, is there a nice song I can play or something? No, I can't. Bye-bye. Yeah, have a